Hey, aloha and mahalo. Happy July 4th, everyone. Um, just want to give a huge shout out uh, to all the subscribers of my channel and asking you to please subscribe and like the videos, subscribe to the channel, and help support us as we bring you live stories. Um, of our family and other happenings in our Pacifica community. Um, Here, I'm speaking with you on my first uh, land that I purchased 3 years ago. I'm ecstatic, I'm happy um, to tell you that we've secured two more lots yesterday. Um, and we're waiting on two more offers that we put in that uh, hopefully the seller can send us back um, and approve our offer so we can move forward with finalizing uh, the the purchase. So in total, we'll have five parcels, all 1 acre lands, um, and I'll probably tell you guys why. Yeah, some people think this guy is crazy buying up, this many lands. Uh, all I need is this one land, and I'm standing on it. Yes, this is mine. Uh, any other purchase that I make here in Hawaii will be my investment property. So, yep, those are investment properties. Uh, I will develop them into beautiful um, lands, and but this one I'm standing on is mine, and I'm already changing it. Yeah, the formation. Yeah, the formation, right? That's the right word. Or the transformation, not formation, transformation of this land is just amazing to see. From a raw land, there's nothing but trees here, to now we have a tiny cabin over there, and we have all these uh, trees coming up, bananas, ulus, potatoes, uh, taros. But let me show you what we did yesterday, sort of. So, so we created a pathway in. Yeah, and so, yeah, see the landscape, how it's transformed. So we put, I planted more bananas here on this side, and then you'll see we have sugar canes, or in my language we say "whoa." Yeah, that's how we say these things, and I'll show you what they are. Whoa. So this is whoa in Ifalikis. Um, this is tiohang in my language. Tiohang is tapioca, and sugarcane is whoa, and banana is wish. So that's the banana I just planted last week, and it's really is growing. That's how crazy things are. And then another banana and another banana. So this side we have whoa, tiohang, wish. All right, another whoa. Not that you already know my language, I'm not gonna speak English no more. So we have whoa, tiohang, mai. Mai in my language, but ulu in Hawaiian, and breadfruit in whatever language. Um, there's papaya. Yeah, we call it wei wai. papaya, huayhuay. Another wo, sugarcane, tiogang, yeah, tapioca, wish for banana, and then another tiogang, wo, and then wish. And so yesterday I put in this pathway. Okay, so yep, not done. I need to grade it so that way the drainage can be good. As you can see, it's the opposite of what I want, but that's just the first part. So we rented a skid steer and we put in this. All right, so this side of we already putting in all the plants, whatever, to make this look beautiful. So as you can see, there's a breadfruit and the tapiocas, and then so it's an oasis of some sort. I love it. My son wants to get rid of all this grasses. I said nope, do not touch anything. I will grow sugarcane, breadfruit, banana, tapioca, amongst all this natural grown stuff. They may be invasive species, but I don't know that. Whatever grows, it comes. I don't care. If they come out of the soil, they're natural to me. So I'm not gonna spread seeds or whatever. Whatever grows on this land will grow. So I will just make the soil and let them grow. And so I'm not cutting anything. They'll grow amongst each other. They have to live peacefully with each other. Okay, so I already destroyed enough to put in the pathway and the house pad and the cabin, but I'm not destroying anymore. All right, so we're gonna plant maybe banana, more tapiocas in this area here. So there's an open area over here. We're gonna fill it up with good soil and then plant it. So as you can see, the pathway is going in, and we have taro on one side and bananas, and then you have more stuff. See, yeah, this. So now I can park here. Not quite done, but it's almost there. We have taro on one side. Yeah, so you have tea leaves everywhere. And then we have one that is, see that? We can eat it soon. But anyways, let's continue going here. Of course, I already showed you my taro patch. Everything is growing really nicely here. And then more on citrus. So I don't need to show you that. I just want to show you what I'm doing. Right here, I'm clearing all the soil. I'm piling up this soil so I can use them for farming and clearing this out. What I'm trying to do here is to create a pathway or a driveway all the way to the back of my property. Why? So that way I can bring in heavy equipment for farming, bring in whatever I needed. Yeah, so I'll make a pathway all the way, or driveway all the way to the back of the property, and then I can farm on this side and farm on this side. I'll keep all these ohias. Yeah, all these ohia trees will stay except maybe a couple that I see they're in the way, but I'll reuse those and for post. So here I rented this from Home Depot. Very useful machine. Makes my job a lot easier. Yeah, as you can see, I am extending out our cabin so I can put in a laundromat on the bottom there and build a septic tank and connect septic tank. And I have my solar. Yeah, solar panels. Right now I have 5 panels up there, kind of temporary. So you guys understand why I decided to go with a flat roof, right? Because I want my solar panels on top of the roof. That way I can utilize the space. It's going build up instead of build out, right? Build up in the sky, not sideways, right? So that's exactly why I'm using flat roof for that purpose, to put all the solar panels on top. I have a fridge now. I have a rice cooker. I have a coffee maker. I have 2 grandkids with their iPads. I have a son with a game, a whole set of game, and his own gadgets. And then I have my own gadgets and all that stuff. Everything plugged in, and I'm only using 45% of the solar power. Even midnight this morning, I woke up, the battery was only used 1% of the battery, and then now it's already charging. So for you guys out there that want to go solar, let's go full solar. There's really no need to pay for power. It is expensive up front, but once you get your solar rolling, there's no power to pay. Totally. Water here, you use water catchment, so you have free water, you have free power. That is amazing. And then you can grow your own food, live off the land. And I don't have to mention, but the ocean is so close. So next thing you know, you can buy a boat and go fish. Or you don't need a boat. Just walk to the shore and go fish, right? And then you go catch the wild pigs. I heard there's a lot of wild pigs here. So go catch them and eat them. And there's your free Hawaii. No, not expensive. So I'd like to argue that Hawaii can be cheaper than anywhere in the USA. For that purpose, you can live off the land and the ocean, and then you have solar and you have free water, free power. There you go. All right, so go. And there's a lot more to see, but our video is a little bit longer. Yeah, let me show you what I just planted. So there, see that banana there? There. Yeah, I just planted that also last week. So I planted this banana and all those bananas up front at the same time. Yeah. Let me see. And yeah. So let me show you. I mean, look at that. That banana I planted a while back, and look, has keikis coming up. See those keikis on there? Keiki in Hawaiian is baby, I think. Yeah, so there it is. Okay. Sayor red wish. Yeah, that's my Ifalikis. Sayor red wish. In Chukis, you say our node. Not city with woods. Okay. So, my dear Chukis friends, kasi what's that? Can subscribe ngiri sa channel? Ever? Kiso chapur. Kami day up. I will subscribe ngiri channel muyas. My Ponapian friends, Samoan, Tongan. Everybody, come on guys, support our channel, like, love, and subscribe, and go Pacifica. Thank you, mahalo, sayonara.